Hey everyone, happy Monday. I hope all is well with you all. We are on day 8 of our 21-day journaling challenge, Protecting My Peace. And today's journal entry is going to be: in what areas of my life am I not being true to myself? And I journaled. I remember when I wasn't true to myself when it came to love. I thought it was selfish to want an ideal partner. I was told it was best to appreciate what I started with and continue to build on that. But when I realized I wasn't happy, it was because I wasn't being true to myself. Knowing what's best for you isn't selfish, it's being true to yourself. Whether that be a person, a place, or a thing, make sure it's true to you. In today's affirmation, I affirm my truth to myself is sacred, and I honor it fully. Ashe. So let me know in the comment what your day 8 journal entry is going to be. As always, I appreciate the love and support. Peace.